Expressing uncertainty, using not sure and undecided. Hey there, English language learners. Welcome back to our channel dedicated to helping you improve your conversational English skills. In today's video, we're going to dive into the topic of expressing uncertainty using the phrases not sure and undecided. These expressions can be really handy when you want to express doubt or lack of certainty about something. So, let's get started. To begin, let's take a closer look at the phrase, not sure. When you say, not sure, you are indicating that you are uncertain or have doubts about a particular topic or decision. It's a simple and straightforward way to express your lack of certainty. Examples: I'm not sure if I can make it to the party tonight. She's not sure which restaurant to choose for dinner. They're not sure if they should go on vacation this year. Remember, when using not sure, you can follow it with the word if or whether to introduce the topic of uncertainty. This helps to clarify what you are uncertain about. Moving on to our next expression, we have undecided. This word is used when you are unable to make a decision or choose between two or more options. It implies a state of uncertainty or indecisiveness. Examples: I'm still undecided about which movie to watch tonight. She's feeling undecided about her career path. We're undecided on where to go for our next vacation. By using undecided, you convey the idea that you are still weighing the options and have not yet reached a conclusion. It's an honest way to express that you're still unsure. Now, let's discuss how not sure and undecided can also be used to express indifference or a lack of preference. Sometimes, you may genuinely not have a strong opinion or preference about a particular matter. Examples: I'm not sure which color I like better, red or blue. They both look nice to me. She's undecided about what to order for lunch. She's not really hungry and doesn't mind anything. They're not sure if they want to go to the beach or visit a museum. They're open to either option. In these examples, not sure and undecided are used to indicate a neutral stance, showing that you don't have a strong inclination towards any particular choice. It's a polite way to express your indifference without sounding dismissive. One great aspect of using not sure and undecided is that they help soften your statements. They convey a sense of humility and openness to other possibilities. By expressing uncertainty, you show that you're open to further discussion or considering different viewpoints. Examples: I'm not sure, but I think the meeting starts at 3 p.m. She's undecided, but she might be able to join us for dinner. They're not sure, but they believe the project will be completed by next week. Using not sure or undecided before stating something uncertain adds a level of politeness to your conversation and encourages others to contribute their thoughts or opinions. And there you have it. You've learned how to express uncertainty using not sure and undecided. These expressions can be incredibly helpful in various situations when